4.8 metre ends. Oh well, they'll be alright. Now then, alright, as you can see, I've partitioned that off. I used some ply. There's 9mm ply, it's light, and I've just been up and bought some more tongue groove, very light, and stuck it on, glued on and screwed in. I made a box, and I've used the tongue groove for the sides as well. I've got a cushion for the top of that just removes, because inside here is the battery. I've made it big enough to put 2 in just in case. So that'll be over that side, across here. And let's see, first fuse goes through there, then a hole straight through into the cab, which I'll take you around, it'll be easier. So that's where it came through. I hope you can see, that's quite dark. Split charge relay, and then it goes to another fuse, and this one runs directly into the battery. I'm really lucky because it's just under here. And all I've got to do is hook these 2 wires up, trace them through, and hook them on to the ignition inside there. Take this off, ignition on, but I'm not going to do that yet until I get the fuse box and everything, and that'll be last job I do. So it was so simple, so simple. So yeah, I've got just one last bit to put in there. I've just got it ready to cut and pop that in, and that'll be me for the day. Definitely coming on though, loving it. I've left that because I'm going to run a couple of cables through before I put the final bit of board on. I just want a socket down there, so I'm not going to bother putting anything in there until I run the cable through. It's coming together. Whoop whoop.